If you are a dedicated fan of Samsung smartwatches, then you may have felt disappointed with the Galaxy Watch Ultra due to the absence of a rotating bezel. However, Samsung seems to have listened to its loyal user base and is expected to rectify this with the highly anticipated release of the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. This upcoming smartwatch is shaping up to be one of the most exciting wearables in Samsung's lineup, bringing back classic elements while integrating innovative features. In this video, we will break down everything we know so far about Samsung's next-generation smartwatch, including its design, specifications, release date, pricing, and the rumored features that could set it apart from its predecessors. The Galaxy Watch 7 was widely praised as one of the best smartwatches of the year, offering notable enhancements while maintaining some familiar aspects from the Galaxy Watch 6. While it was a solid offering, many users still longed for the rotating bezel, a fan-favorite feature that had been absent in some recent models. Samsung has previously introduced the Classic Edition in the Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 6 series but skipped it for the Galaxy Watch 5 lineup in favor of the Pro model. The return of the Classic Edition suggests that Samsung has acknowledged user feedback and is bringing back the much-loved design element. Recent findings in the GSMA database revealed an unannounced Samsung smartwatch bearing the model number SM-L505U. This model number strongly hints at a cellular-enabled smartwatch that is likely intended for the US market. Based on leaks and speculation, the device is expected to be officially named the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and will serve as a high-end alternative to the standard Galaxy Watch 8. Given the popularity of the rotating bezel in past classic models, many industry experts believe that Samsung will reintroduce this feature in the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. If these speculations are correct, the watch will appeal to longtime Samsung fans who prefer the tactile control and convenience of the physical bezel over the digital alternative. Samsung follows a fairly predictable release cycle for its smartwatches. The Galaxy Watch 7 was officially announced on July 10, 2024, and hit stores on July 24, 2024, alongside the Galaxy Watch Ultra. If Samsung continues this pattern, we can expect the Galaxy Watch 8 lineup to debut in July 2025. While an official announcement has yet to be made, it is reasonable to expect that Samsung will unveil the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic around the same time as its next-generation foldable smartphones, likely the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7. While pricing details remain speculative, we can estimate the cost based on previous models. The Galaxy Watch 7 maintained the same pricing structure as the Galaxy Watch 6, with the 44mm Bluetooth variant priced between $299 and $329. Adding LTE functionality increased the cost by approximately $50. If Samsung follows a similar pricing strategy, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic should remain within the $300 to $400 range, unless substantial hardware improvements justify a price increase. Considering that Samsung faces competition from the Google Pixel Watch 3, TicWatch Pro 5, and Apple Watch Series 10, the company is likely to keep its pricing competitive while delivering an appealing balance of features and performance. One of the most intriguing rumors surrounding the Galaxy Watch 8 is a possible shift in design. Reports suggest that Samsung may experiment with a hybrid squircle shape, a blend between square and round watch faces. This design approach would be a bold departure from Samsung's traditional round smartwatches, echoing elements from the early Galaxy Gear and Gear 2 models. While the Galaxy Watch Ultra introduced a more angular design, the classic model might integrate these modern aesthetics while maintaining its signature rotating bezel. Samsung has consistently pushed the boundaries of health-focused smartwatch features. It was one of the first brands to introduce blood pressure monitoring, and new leaks suggest that Samsung is working on refining this technology even further. The improved blood pressure monitoring system in the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic may offer continuous tracking and provide deeper insights into lifestyle factors such as alcohol consumption levels, exercise impact on blood pressure trends, breath holding and stress assessment. With competitors like Huawei already incorporating continuous blood pressure tracking, Samsung is likely aiming to enhance its smartwatch's health-focused capabilities to maintain its leadership in the market. Beyond the expected rumors and leaks, there are several features that fans hope Samsung will introduce in the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. While Samsung has optimized battery efficiency, battery life remains an area for improvement. Competing smartwatches from OnePlus and Mobvoi have demonstrated that Wear OS devices can last longer on a single charge. Extending battery life should be a top priority for Samsung. Samsung has played it safe with its smartwatch designs in recent years. While the Galaxy Watch Ultra introduced a bolder aesthetic, the classic model could benefit from a more refined yet distinct